If you've ever felt frustrated by unpredictable results or second-guessed your trades, then this video is exactly what you need. We're diving into a new LuxAlgo strategy that predicts the most profitable reversals, designed to help you achieve consistent profits while minimizing risks. Every trader knows the struggle of finding a strategy that delivers both reliability and profitability. This method not only tackles these challenges, but also capitalizes on key momentum shifts, making it a must-have for serious traders. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply this strategy and see how it leverages momentum shifts to deliver precise and reliable trading opportunities. That said, I've tested it 100 times on the US 30 to ensure its reliability. Stick around until the end of the video, where I'll share a full breakdown of my trading results. To get started with this strategy, open TradingView and begin with a clean chart. This strategy uses just two indicators. First, click on the Indicators tab, search for LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays Premium and add it to your chart. Next, add the Price Action Concepts indicator. Keep in mind that these are premium indicators, but with my link, you can save up to 50% on the annual plan. Plus, LuxAlgo offers a 30-day refund policy, so you can test these indicators completely risk-free. Let's now adjust the indicator settings to optimize them for our strategy. We'll start with the Signals and Overlays indicator. For this strategy, we'll use the confirmation signals along with candle coloring. In the Overlay section, keep the Smart Trail enabled and also enable the reversal zones. Next, scroll to the advanced settings. For autopilot sensitivity, set it to midterm. Then, in the dashboard section, change the dashboard location to hidden. Now go to the Style tab and uncheck both the bullish exit and bearish exit signals. Once that's done, click OK. Next, double-click the Price Action Concepts indicator to adjust its settings. We'll use only the internal market structure labels and need just the break of structure labels, so set this option to BOS. Finally, in the volumetric order block section, disable the Show Last option and click OK. Before diving into the exact trading rules, let's first understand how the key components of this strategy work. First, the market structure labels. These labels help confirm if the trend is moving in the desired direction. We'll focus on the break of structure labels to identify whether the price is trending upward or downward. Next, the reversal zones. These zones highlight market tops and bottoms, working best in ranging markets. We'll use them to spot potential trade entries, looking for buy opportunities when the price touches the green zone and sell opportunities when it touches the red zone. Then, the buy and sell signals. These signals follow a trend-based approach and come in two types: normal signals and strong signals. Strong signals align with the trend, while normal signals may indicate a temporary pullback. We'll use both to confirm our trades. And finally, the Smart Trail. This is the cloudy area on the chart, acting as a dynamic trailing stop. It adjusts to protect against unwanted price movements during a trend, and we'll use it to set our stop-loss levels. Now for the fun part, let's dive into the trading rules and see how this strategy can be used profitably. I'll break it down step by step so you can follow along easily. For a buy trade to be valid, three key conditions must be met. First, price must bounce off the green reversal zone. Wait for the price to enter and fully exit the green reversal zone. This confirms the bounce off the green band. Next, look for a bullish BOS label and a buy signal. The order of these doesn't matter, but both conditions must be met. However, by the time these signals align, the candlestick must be green. If it's not, the signal is invalid and you skip the trade. I'll show you an example of this later in the video. Finally, the Smart Trail must be blue. This confirms that the trend supports a buy trade. If all three conditions are met, enter a buy trade at the close of the candlestick. For the stop loss, use the Smart Trail. And for the take profit target, aim for a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Alright, let's go through another buy trade example and we'll follow three simple steps. First, the price must react to the green reversal zone. You need to see the price move into and completely out of the green zone. This indicates a confirmed bounce from the reversal area. Second, identify a bullish break of structure label and a buy signal. Both of these must appear, but the sequence doesn't matter. However, it's crucial that when these signals align, the candlestick is green. If it isn't, the setup becomes invalid and we skip the trade. Lastly, ensure the Smart Trail is colored blue. This shows that the trend is in favor of a buy setup. When all three conditions are met, execute the buy trade at the close of the candle. Now, use the Smart Trail for your stop-loss placement, and for the take profit target, aim for a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. And the exact opposite is true for sell trades. First, the price must react to the red reversal zone. Watch for the price to enter and fully exit the upper red zone. This confirms the bounce off the red reversal band. Second, look for a bearish BOS label and a sell signal. Both must be present, but the sequence doesn't matter. However, by the time these signals line up, the candlestick must be red. If it isn't, the setup is invalid and we skip the trade. Lastly, the smart trail must be colored red. This indicates the trend is favoring a sell trade. When all three conditions are satisfied, place the sell trade at the close of the candlestick. Set your stop loss using the smart trail and aim for a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio for your take profit target. Let's take a look at another sell trade example. First, the price must interact with the red reversal zone. Wait for the price to move into and completely out of the upper red zone. This confirms that the price has bounced off the red reversal band. Second, check for a bearish break of structure label and a sell signal. Both of these must appear, but the order doesn't matter. By the time they align, the candlestick must be red. If it isn't, the trade setup is invalid and we skip it. Lastly, confirm that the smart trail is red. This ensures the trend supports taking a sell trade. When all three conditions are met, execute the sell trade at the close of the candle. Place your stop loss based on the smart trail and aim for a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio for your take profit target. Alright, now before we dive into the backtesting, let's take a look at some invalid trading setups, and let's start with an invalid sell setup. In this example, we can see that the price bounced off the upper reversal zone, so the first condition is met. For the second condition, we need both a sell signal and a bearish BOS label to confirm the setup. This condition is also met. However, if we look closely, the candlestick at the time the break of structure label appears is purple, which indicates sideways movement. Since the condition requires the candlestick to be red, the setup is invalidated by the purple candlestick. Had we taken this trade, it would have resulted in a loss, as you can see here. Now, let's look at a second invalid sell setup. In this case, the first condition is met, as the price gets rejected off the upper reversal band. We can also see a sell signal and a BOS label. However, the break of structure label here is bullish, not bearish, which invalidates the trade setup. On top of that, the candlestick is purple, indicating sideways movement, further confirming that this setup is not valid. This example highlights how crucial it is to follow the rules exactly. Ignoring even one condition can lead to losses, as shown here. Finally, let's examine an invalid buy setup. In this example, we can see both a buy signal and a bullish BOS label, which might initially seem like a valid setup. However, the price did not bounce off the lower reversal band, the green zone. Instead, it's getting rejected off the upper reversal band, the red zone, which suggests that the price is more likely to decrease. This clearly invalidates the trade setup and reinforces the importance of following all the rules precisely. Now that we've gone over the trade setups and what to avoid, it's time to deliver the backtesting results, just as I promised at the beginning of the video. I've tested this strategy 100 times manually on the US 30 chart using a 2-hour time frame. I started with a $1,000 account balance. I used 10% of my account per trade, adjusting as my balance changes with each win or loss. For example, if I profit $100 on a trade, my new balance becomes $1,100, and I use 10% of this updated balance for the next trade. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.